Welcome to LetsTrack Place Alerts. With this new feature, you can easily add a place in the app and set up entry and exit alerts for complete peace of mind. Whether it's your home, office, or a school, you'll receive instant notifications whenever your vehicle or loved ones enter or leave. And with Alexa integration, you can simply ask for updates hands-free, making tracking smarter and more effortless than ever. Let's show you how simple it is to set up a place and start receiving alerts. And stay connected wherever you go. And with the LetsTrack ecosystem, you can also track pets, valuables, luggage, and even inventory, all in one secure app. Welcome to LetsTrack. In this video, we'll show you how to add a place and get instant entry and exit alerts. Start by pressing the Menu tab at the bottom of your screen. From the side menu, select Places. Choose from suggested places like school, office, or gym. Tap Add New Place to create your own. Zoom and move the map to pinpoint the exact location. Select an icon and give your place a meaningful name. Tap Save. Your place is now ready. Assign this place to any vehicle or circle to receive alerts whenever it's entered or exited. Save it, and it's instantly linked to your account. LetsTrack. Simple, smart, and secure. Explore the full LetsTrack ecosystem. Track pets, valuables, and more.
LetsTrack. Put your world in your hands.